Hello, Pocket Rocket, and welcome back to my channel. It's challenge time, which means we should make a new game just like a real engineer. We have just 10 minutes, so let's get started. It's not really my cup of tea to talk about designer stuff, so I will tell you a bit about graphics. All the goods you need are hidden in the link below, so let's move to the first hour step. In short, we already have a couple of sprites, a sun and a cloud. Let's make a duplicate, and our weather is already prepared. Actually no, because we need to put some coffee just into our cloud. So go to events when green flag clicked, then forever loop, and from motion we take glide 3 seconds or 4, it doesn't matter, it's up to you, to x minus 150 and glide 3 seconds to 150, but it's positive number. Okay, we can click and copy this code, just change a seconds, 4 seconds, and here 5. And what we can see, it's a natural success, of course. Here we go. So we use a glide instruction and set, for instance, 5 seconds for smooth movement. Please note, we change only the x axis by some values to move only left or right. We do the same thing for the other clouds. You can place here 4 or 5 or 6, and I highly recommend making the movement times different for each cloud. Check this out. This part is a piece of cake. Okay, it's time to play some code for our watering can. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, just go the extra mile and hit that bell. Now, let's switch to the costumes block. Here we have a transparent background as usual and small drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, and guess what? Not 5 but 3. Okay. Basically these costumes are needed to create an amazing animation for our can. So, this watering can follow our cursor when we touch the mouse pointer. We are considering this logic now. On the other hand, it automatically switches to the first costume and goes to the default position. Okay, let's try it. When green flag clicked, we switch costume to first, and then from motion we go to 180 and 120. Okay, after that we need to put a rest of code. When the sprite clicked, we need repeat until not touching mouse pointer. A bit complicated logic, but it's not a problem for us. Don't worry about it. If you don't understand a code, I will explain it. Then we put next costume and go to mouse pointer, and here we click Ctrl C and we copy paste into words, and what we can see, if we click green flag and try to grab our watering can, what we can see, it works, yeah, it's a really easy part. So how it works, repeat until that means while we are touching with mouse pointer our watering can, it's go to mouse pointer, so it follows. to mouse pointer, and when it's not touching anymore, it switch custom to default and go to default position. Nothing special. Okay, it's pretty simple. Okay guys, time to take a look at our fertilizer, a good quality fertilizer. I put a yellow points right here and here, and now it kind of comes out of this box. I really like it. Have I already said I'm not into painting? Okay, next up, copy paste code to speed things up. So we can just take the code from watering can, place here when green flag click, and paste here as well, but we switch custom to icons 8 fertilizer 100. I don't change it all names, so take a look. Its default names could be different. Okay, and if we start it again, oh, what's the problem? Go to, and we need to change a position by y-axis. So let's try 20, and here 20 as well. Okay, now if we click on our fertilizer, it make animation, and if we make like a blink, our fertilizer, our watering can return to the top right corner. Okay, now it's going to be interesting because we need to manage our plant. Okay, go to customs, and what we can find here, a whole 13 costumes. Okay, the first skin is little, and then it will be our fertilizer, water, fertilizer second, water second, and of course just a small or normal and a big plant. Okay, so let's code it. When green flag clicked, we switch costume to little, so it's our default name, it's our first costume. Okay, let's moving on. Then we place here forever loop and wait not 1 second, but it will be a kind of random, so we pick random from 5 to 10 seconds. Okay, and of course we should place here a next costume. It's our basic code. Okay, it should be worked from 5 to 10 seconds. Let's taste it. Next costume. Okay, it works. Now we need to improve our code because we need a check if our costume, where is it? If our costume, not number but name, and go to operators and land contains. If our costume name contains, for instance, water, in that case we wait until touching, where is our touching watering can, just like that. And as usually we can copy paste this code, but change instead of water a fertilizer. Fertilizer, I can see it small. Okay, and touching, not watering can, by fertilizer. Okay, Here we can click and paste here, but we should to stop all the codes in case if our user is already write this plan. So go to control, block if, then operators, as usually it will be equal, and costume number. Our last costume is 13. Yeah, let's check it again. 13. Okay, and in that case we say for our user, hey, you have raised me, thanks, for 2 seconds or even 5, it doesn't matter. And of course we go to control and stop all. So in that case we can finally take a look and check out if it works. So our plant want to be fertilizing, so we can take it, and something doesn't happen. And what we skip it, we forgot about next costume. So wait until touching watering can and next costume here and here. So let's do it again. Next costume, click here, and fertilizer was successfully used. We are waiting for our plant want to be watering. We can take our watering can and here it grows. And I think we can taste it. Oh, looks how it's wonderful. It's kind of a whole game. It's a simple logic, but we can play it and improve. I think we can even make new pictures, make new plans here and develop this game in the future. So last moves, watering, and hey, you have raised me, thanks. We got a message from our plant and whole game was stopped. So now guys, if you like this content, just like this video and wait for the next one. It was me, IT Elephant, and see you next time.